Today we will learn about TSBIE, Telangana State Board of Intermediate Education, COVID-19 first year Arabic paper pattern. Due to this ongoing pandemic, the paper pattern has been changed due to this ongoing pandemic. Earlier, you were having 1 to 16 sections. Okay. 1 to 16 sections. You were having 1 to 16 sections. This year also you have same 1 to 16 sections. But what is the change? From bit number 1 or section 1 to bit number 8. Okay. From bit number 1 to bit number 8 changes has been made. But from bit number 9 to bit number 16, there is no change in the paper pattern. What is the change? Earlier, for example, in our first section, section 1, he will ask you to write 2 lines in Arabic of any one of the following poems. Earlier, he used to give 2 names of the poem. This year, he will give 3 names of the poem. Among those 3 poems, you have to answer one poem. One poem, 2 lines. You have to write one poem, 2 lines. Uktub Baitain min ihdal unshudatain at taliyatain carries 6 marks. Write 2 lines in Arabic from any one of the following poems. He will give you the names of the poems in Arabic. For example, he may give you Allahu Ma'i. Okay. Then B, Al-Kitab. Then C, Tala al-Badru alayna. Like this. So, 3 names of the poems are given in Arabic. You have to by heart what it means. Allahu Ma'i means Allah is with me. That you have to know. He is asking you to write the 2 lines of the poem Allah is with me in Arabic. So you have to by heart those lines and write in your examination. Similarly, in the second section, he was asking you to write the summary of any one poem in your own language, not less than 100 words. The same section is here, there is no change, but a slight change is, instead of giving 2 options, he will increase, the options are increased to 3. Okay. From 3 options, you have to answer one summary. Earlier, they were giving 2 options. Now they are giving 3 options. Got it? For example, he may ask you to write the summary of any one of the following poems. 3 names of the poems will be given. You have to choose one poem to answer the question. Okay, in your own language. Own language means you may write the summary in English, you may write the summary in Urdu, or you may write the summary in Hindi or in any other language which you know. Okay, this is your second section. Now come to section number 3. Section number 3 belongs to prose. First section belongs to poetry and second section belongs to poetry. Each carries 6 marks. Third section belongs to prose. Section 3 belongs to prose. Section 3 belongs to prose. And in this section, he will ask you to write the summary of any one lesson from the following lessons. So earlier, he was giving 2 options. Now, he will give 3 options. This paper pattern is for this academic year only, not for the coming academic year. Okay. He will increase one option. For example, he may ask you to write the summary of Suratul Fatiha, Telangana Az-Zahabiyya, and Al-Hiwar, like this. 3 options will be given. You have to answer one summary in not less than 100 words. You may write the summary up to 300 words, not more than that. Okay, carries 6 marks. Now come to section number 4. Section number 4 belongs to non-detail. Okay, section number 4 belongs to what? Non-detail. Section 4, non-detail, ND, it stands for non-detail, carries 8 marks. What you have to do here, 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Okay, you have to write 4 questions, you have to answer 4 questions, each carries 2 marks, then total comes to 8. So earlier options were only 8 questions. From 8 questions, you have to answer 4 questions. But this year, he will give you 10 questions. Among those 10 questions, you have to answer 4 questions. Okay, each carries 2 marks. In this way, you will get 8 marks. For example, you have to write the answer in Arabic. For example, he will ask you, Ila aina safara Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam lit-tijarati. So you have to write the answer. Safara Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam lit-tijarati ila Sham. This is your answer. In this way, you have to answer any 4 questions. Got it? Now come to section number 5. Okay. Section 5 carries 6 marks. The 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Section number 5 belongs to poetry, carries 6 marks. What he will ask you, in this section he will ask you to give the reference of the following lines of the poems. He will give you the poem line, then he will ask you to give the reference of this poem line, to which poem this line belongs. Earlier he was giving only 4 options, now he has increased one more option for you, A to E. Among these 5 options, you have to answer 2 questions. For example, if he asks you, Allahu fi juhdi wa fi sururi, Allahu fi samti wa fi tabiri, to which poem this belongs? You have to write the reference in Arabic. How to write? You have to write, Hadal baytu min unshudati Allahu mai. This verse belongs to the poem Allah is with me. In this way, you have to answer these questions. Now come to section number 6. Section number 6 belongs to prose. Section number 6 carries 6 marks, but it belongs to prose. In section number 5, he was asking you the reference of the poetry lines. In this section, he will give you the lines of the surahs or the lines of the lessons. Okay. For example, if he gives the surah line, surah verse, Innal insana lafi khusri, so he is asking you to give the reference of this line. So to which surah this ayat belongs? Then you have to write Hadihil ayatu min suratil asr, like this. But if he give you the lessons line of the lesson, for example, Khala Anas radiyallahu anhu, Khadamtu Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam ashra sinin fama khala li uffin khattu. Okay. To which lesson this line belongs? So you have to write Hada Satru, this line, Min Darsi, belongs to the lesson Shama'ilun Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam. In this way you have to answer. Earlier he was giving four options, now he will give you 5 options. Among these 5 questions, you have to answer 2 questions. Okay, 5 out of 2. Got it? Yes, lower your hands. I will ask you to raise your hands, then you may raise it when the doubt clarification session comes. Okay. All of you lower your hands. I will ask you to ask the doubts, then you have to raise your hand. Okay. First, let the class complete first, then come to the doubt clarification session. Now we are going to section number 7. Okay. In section number 7, he will ask you question and answers of poetry. Question and answers of poetry carries 6 marks. This section belongs to poetry. Okay. In section number 1, he will ask you to answer any 2 of the following questions in Arabic. This section belongs to poetry. Among poetry sections, he will give you 5 questions. Earlier, he was giving 4 questions. Out of 4, you were answering 2. But this year, he will give you 5 questions. Out of 5 questions, you have to answer 2. 1 option has been increased due to this COVID-19 pandemic. Poetry. So he may ask you, for example, Hal Allahu fil juhdi was surur. Is there Allah in the struggle and happiness? Then you have to give the answer, Naam Allahu fil juhdi was surur. This is a sentence answer. This is a full word answer. You may not write this answer in one word. You should not write this answer in one word. Hal Allahu fil juhdi was surur, Naam. Then you are not writing anything. This is not the correct method. You have to write Naam. Then you have to complete the sentence. Allahu fil juhdi was surur. In this way you have to answer. Got it? This is your section number 7. Now come to section number 8. Section number 8 also contains question and answers. But these question and answers belongs to prose section. Section number 8. Out of 5 questions you have to answer 2. Each carries 3 marks. In this way you will get total 6 marks. Answer any 2 of the following questions in Arabic. To which section this section number 8 belongs? So this section belongs to prose and carries 6 marks. He will ask you to answer the questions in Arabic. Out of 5 you have to answer 2 questions. For example, Liman Atallahul Kausara. Whom did Allah bestow Kausar? Allah ने कौसर किसे अता किया है? So we have to write the answer. Atallahul Kausara li Muhammadin sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah has given Kausar to Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Got it? Now come to next section, section number 9. Okay. Section number 9. Section number 9 belongs to poetry and carries 5 marks. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Section number 9 belongs to poetry and carries 5 marks. Are you able to see the board clearly? I ask you to lower your hands, please. Unraise your hand. Unraise it. I will ask you to raise your hand, then you may raise it. I will clear your doubts. No, don't worry. Here in section number 9, he will give you question and answers from poetry section and ask you to give the answers in one word. Okay, or in one phrase. There is no option in it. You have to answer all the 5 questions. Okay. There is no increment in this section. 5 questions will be given. You have to answer 5. Each carries 1 mark. You will get 5 marks. Okay. Got it? This is one word answer section. Now, for example, he is asking, Man fil juhdi was surur, who is there in the struggle and happiness? Then, who is there in the struggle and happiness? Then you may write, okay, Then you may write okay. Then you may write yes. In section number 9, one word answers are there. He will give you 5 question answers